What's up, guys? Skardog here, back for another video. Today I got an unboxing of something I've been really looking forward to for a really long time, and that is the Planet of the Apes Trilogy on 4K, Blu-ray, and digital HD. So, let's get this going. Witness the evolution of Caesar. From green-eyed infant ape to hardened warrior to leader of his kingdom, this spectacular sci-fi adventure begins when a failed experiment gives a baby chimpanzee human-like intelligence, but also creates a virus that nearly destroys mankind. When Caesar's ape community is discovered by a small band of humans, both species must battle to survive. Ultimately, after suffering unimaginable losses, Caesar resolves to avenge his kind, pitting him against a human army in an epic showdown that will determine the future of the planet. Packed with thrilling action and mind-blowing visual effects, the series is hailed as one of the greatest trilogies in movie history. Alright, so there's the front, there's the back, so looks like we get a poster here. So oh, that's cool. So here you get like a little timeline, and then here's the front. So, here's Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. So, some packaging on there. So, here's the digital code on the back of this. And here's a sneak peek to War of the Planet of the Apes. So, here's the Blu-ray disc. Here's the 4K. So, here's Rise. So, there's the digital code. Here's another sneak peek to Planet of the Apes. There's a code on the back of that. There's the 4K, the Blu-ray. And here is the newest one, War for the Planet of the Apes. It sucks they didn't put the slim cover on here. I really liked that slim cover, but oh well. So here's the digital code for War. And some advertisement thing. And here's the Blu-ray and the 4K disc. Alright guys, that's my unboxing for the Planet of the Apes trilogy. Stay tuned, because right after this video uploads, I'm going to be filming the Mario Odyssey unboxing, plus all the amiibo that come with the Mario Odyssey or relate to it. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Also, give my Facebook page a like. It's the same thing as this, Scardog98. That's where I post if I'll post a new video, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.